Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach a new thing to you, that is macram hangings. Okay, first of all, this is known as macram. The thread, this is macram. You will get it in this form. From the market you will get it. This is macram. The second thing we want, that is this, the curtain holder or the ring, you may call it. Then beads. You can take glass beads or wooden beads. Now you will get this macram in two colors, that can be white or cream. It is up to you. The choice is of yours, that of which color you want to make the hanging. First of all, just measure the length of this macram string in this way. Right? I have taken 8 strings, and when I put them in this holder, this will become 16, half to this side and half to the other side. With the help of a rubber band, I have just fixed it up here. Then we will start making this macram. First of all, the top knot, how we can make it, you can see it here. Put it here like this. Then in this way, make a circle at the bottom, then bring it here, and now very tightly tie it in this form. Okay, neatly and very tightly. We will put a knot here. Look, I have the circle with me at the end. Now at the end I will just put this knot in the circle and make it a tight knot. Then just stretch it from the top piece which is there with us, so that the knot will go inside and this won't come out. This is the tight knot we are having on the top. Right? Later I will cut these two pieces. Now, starting this macram, this is only the knot. Now we have 16 pieces. We will divide them in 4 each. 4, 4, 4 and 4. In this way we will divide them in 4 each, because we were having 16 total. Now we are having 4 each. 4 into 4, that is 16. Right? Now you will learn how to make the knots of it. Just make a circle, this circle from 1, keep 2 strings at the center, then this on the top of this thread, and simultaneously bring it out from this circle. We will bring it out from this circle. Now just keep rest of the strings aside. We are only using 4 strings in this way. Only 4 we are using. Now make a knot of it. Again I am going to tell you how to make a knot. Look here, these 4 we are having. Just make a circle of it, the last one on the top, and then from the back side bring it out from the circle in this way. Same. If we will keep the circles from one side only, we will get the knots twisted. I will show you one knot, that is twisted knot, right? In this way we will get the twisted knots. You can see it here, right? So these are the twisted knots. These, if we will take the circle from one side, we will get the twisted knots. Now we will make certain more twisted knots on the top. From the back side, bring it out from the circle, right? I hope this knot is clear to you. On the top, again from the circle, we will bring it out. You will see it start twisting. Look here, right? So we will make some more knots for this. In this way. Now we will make some more knots. You can see it. These will be the knots, twisted knots. Now after making so many knots, I am going to put one bead. Now we will take the middle two strings just to put the knot in it. I will just put one bead in these two strings. Then again we will start with the knots. Okay, again one circle on the top. From the back side we will bring it out and make it little bit tightly so that this can hold the bead nicely. In this way, right? This is very simple. Once you will start doing it, you will really enjoy it, and after that you can hang your toys or any other glass bottle or plastic bottle in your garden or in your room, and you can put some artificial lights or artificial candles in those bottles. That will definitely give a very beautiful look to the place where you will hold this macram hanging, right? In the same way we can put some more knots, and you can use some add some more beads also. Finally we will get this type of macram. Okay, in this we can put some bottle. I will show you how you can put some one bottle in it. In this way we can hold one bottle, or you can hold your soft toys also, right? You can hang it anywhere. So this is the macram. It is used in all the states of India, including our Telangana state also. So this is macram hanging. Just make it for your home, your room or your garden. Thank you so much.